again, good morning, afternoon, or evening to everybody, wherever you are in the world right now in this strange COVID time. So my name is John Huang from the Breakthrough Listen group at UC Berkeley, and I will be your host for today. So welcome to the Optical SETI workshop, virtual edition. It's great to see everybody here today from several collaboration and experiments, as well as scientists and students who are interested in finding the answer to one of mankind's greatest questions: are we alone in the universe? So traditionally, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence has been dominantly carried out in the radio wave band. However, over the years, we have seen an increase in the number of experiments and projects that enable SETI search in the optical and near-infrared wavelengths. And the Breakthrough Listen team at UC Berkeley has been involving in several of these projects, but not all. So with that in mind, we are organizing this workshop and our forum also as a platform to inform the community about some of the latest results from the Breakthrough Listen team, collaborators, as well as from around the world, to excite enthusiasts about new possibilities, and also to mediate and leverage discussion that can spark new projects and ideas. So due to the diverse list of participants, this workshop will be thematically divided into 2 days. So today we will kick off the workshop with a theoretical talk about the foundation of optical SETI, followed by reports from several projects that have been carried out. After that, we will hear about capability to detect optical transients from several upcoming optical facilities, which are very much related to the search for anomalous signal that might have implication on the existence of extraterrestrial life and intelligence. There will also be time for discussion tomorrow about collaboration and student mentorship opportunity, especially through our involvement with students and data scientists. So before I pass the floor to Andrew Simeon, the director of Berkeley SETI Research Center, I would like to remind the audience that this workshop will be recorded and be made available at a later date for the benefit of the committee and also for participants who can only attend this workshop forum partially. So if you do not wish to be recorded, kindly let me know. So without further ado, please welcome Andrew Simeon for the work. So Andrew, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, John, and a very hearty welcome from myself and the wider Breakthrough Listen team at the Berkeley SETI Research Center, mostly based at the University of California at Berkeley, but also now very happily including members that are based all over the world. As John said, in the long baseline of history of SETI, we've seen an increase in interest and activity in optical SETI, and we've seen the same thing in the Breakthrough Listen program over the last 6 years or so. Of course, the Automated Planet Finder, a 2.4 meter optical telescope here in California, has been part of Listen since its inception. In 2018, we added Veritas to the Breakthrough Listen program, adding a pulsed optical SETI component. In 2019, we announced a partnership with the TESS science team, bringing generic anomaly detection and exoplanet follow-up into our optical SETI activities. And some of you may know that just a little bit earlier this year, we joined the LSST Corporation and are very excited to see what kinds of technosignature possibilities we can bring to fruition with the Vera Rubin Observatory. Thank you all very much for taking the time to join us. Thank you in particular to Paul Horowitz for giving our introductory talk. We're really incredibly excited to have such a pioneer of SETI, and especially optical SETI, to join us to kick us off, and to all of the speakers for sharing the latest results on their various projects. With that, I'll just say a quick thank you also to John and to Dave DeBoer and to Karen Aguilar, who have done all of the heavy lifting in organizing this meeting. And John in particular, who's our newest postdoc, just joined the team a few months ago. Unfortunately, hasn't had a chance to meet many of his colleagues in person as yet, but hopefully will soon. Who led the charge in organizing the scientific content of the meeting. With that, I'll hand it over to Dr. Pete Warden to offer a few words from the Breakthrough Initiatives and the Breakthrough Prize Foundation.
I really want to welcome everybody. This is a very exciting time for not only the SETI area, but which I think the new term of technosignatures probably is more correct, but also for the whole search for life. We're part of the Breakthrough Initiatives. We have a number of other programs searching for life. This has been a pretty good year. We've and not just in our programs, but in others. The Breakthrough Listen program had their first signal that passed all the basic tests, although now we're pretty certain that's a human-caused interference. It helped us advance that quite considerably. Last year, we detected a marginal detection, but an interesting one, of a giant planet orbiting Alpha Centauri A. There's been a lot of other work that's gone through. We continue to see increasing evidence of life in our own solar system, both on Venus and Mars, although still highly controversial, but a very exciting effort. I think optical SETI is one of the really great frontiers that has not been fully explored, and quite frankly is one that I think will find very fruitful effort. So I'm really looking forward to hearing these discussions, and thanking all of you to be spending your time here. We hope sometime later this year we can begin to kind of meet again in person, but until then, let's move forward. Thank you.